So guys, millions of people are mining Hamster Kombat mining across the world and trying to get profit out of it. So you guys are also mining up Hamster Kombat along with me, and in this particular video I'll be telling up top 5 mistakes which you are doing which will not make you get the withdrawal of this particular token, or you can say which will make you ineligible for getting the withdrawal of the Hamster Kombat. This is also told by the Hamster Kombat team. Also, if you are active in their Telegram Twitter handle, you might be already knowing it. For those who don't know, I'll be telling up the top 5 mistakes which you are doing right now and which you should be stop doing it, so that you'll be getting a very good profit from the Hamster Kombat and you will be eligible for the airdrop. It's going to be a very interesting video. I'll be telling up all that thing, and also I'll be telling up how exactly you're going to increase your profit also. It's very important, so watch the video till the end. And also, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also join our Telegram channel. All the links related to our videos will be there. So guys, as we know that on the month of July, that is the next month, the token generation event is going to happen. That means we are going to get our withdrawal after the token generation event happens. So we have very little time for us, so we have to utilize it to the maximum. So first and foremost mistake what people do is not come here every 3 hours and click on the claim button to start mining. So you will be thinking that whatever profits per hour you have, it will be automatically calculated, automatically the balance will be loaded down here. But actually, if you click on the I button, it is clearly shown that even when you are offline up to 3 hours, you have to come back and then you have to start, or we can press on start mining, and then it will be starting up to mine here. So every 3 hours you have to come back here and you will be getting the claim option here. Just press on this thank you button and you will be claiming up the tokens, and it will be mining again. After 3 hours you have to come back and you have to claim whatever unclaimed tokens you have. So these people are not doing it, you have to do it. And the second mistake which people are doing is not doing the daily task. So this is very important, because you can see many people are using bot technology so that it will be automatically mining for them, and this will make them disqualify for the airdrop. So by doing the daily task, you can qualify yourself as a human, that you are not a bot, because bot don't do the daily task. So what are the daily tasks? First and foremost, you have to come to the airdrop section or the earn section. Here daily reward is there, you have to claim one day, every day you have to claim that. And next we have the cipher code, and next we have the combo. Each and everything we are posting up in our Telegram channel. You do not to go anywhere, just click on the link in the description, join there. Daily combos will be given, cipher code will be given, which will be giving you 6 million tokens for absolutely free. So these are the daily tasks you have to do every day, so that you won't be categorized in the bot section. So you will be the actual humans and you will be qualified for the airdrop. Hope you guys have understood this second mistake. And the third mistake which many people are having confusion and misunderstood regarding this, that which I have already made a video regarding it, that converting all your balance into the profit per hour. So previously when I made a video, many people misunderstood it and many people comment down that profit per hour is very important. We'll be getting the airdrop which is not calculated from the balance, it is calculated from the profit per hour. So I told in that video exactly the same thing. You guys just misunderstood. The main thing what I tried to convey in that video is that you have to also maintain a good level, so that you'll be getting a higher category of airdrop. I did not say that main balance is important than profit per hour. Profit per hour is only important as they have given us the update. They have said profit per hour is important, that means profit per hour is important. But what I conveyed in that particular video is that maintaining your highest level is important, so that you will be getting the large portion of the airdrop. So these levels here are all important, as well as the profit per hour. So whatever profit per hour you have, on the basis of that you will be getting the airdrop, and also on the basis of the the level which you have, the allocation will be different. So that's what I mean. So for simple example, if I say if you are in the basic level, that is silver, so for example just 5k tokens will be distributed. This is not the exact thing I'm telling, just an example. If total of 10,000 token are allocated for the distribution, the smallest amount of token will be distributed among the silver people. So these are the communities here. The largest one will be distributed among the the Lord people. So this is what happening up in the hamster. So maintain your balance, and along with that increase your profit per hour also. Profit per hour is equally important. I never told that profit per hour is not important. You have to focus on your main balance. I never told that. You can watch this particular video where I have told how you can maintain both of the profit per hour and also increase your token balance also. This particular video 23 hours ago I have posted. This will be very important if you focus on this, so that you will be getting the highest profit withdrawal from the Hamster mining token. And the fourth update, which many people are unaware of, that is that you have to claim the new cards which are coming up in the market. So if you want to know which are the new cards and which are the important cards, join the Telegram channel. I'll be updating over there. So what happens is that what are unclaimed cards you have. See, for now everything in the PR team I have. So I have those cards. So if I go to the market, some will be unlocked. So here also almost every cards I have. So many people don't have all the cards. So what you have to do, for example, if the Vietnam is locked, so make sure you unlock this as soon as possible. So every card you should be having up in the future. There might be some specification for these cards, so we should not be missing it out. So we should be having all the cards which are new, and we should be keep updating it. So whenever you update, so for example, if I have this particular card as a license UAE, so 8.3 million tokens I have to give. So similarly, another card will be there. It will be having the buy price at the beginning very low, and when I upgrade it, the profit per hour will also be 50x or 60x. Those kind of cards are also available. I'll be telling that in our Telegram channel when it comes. So for now, join our Telegram channel. All the important updates we will be giving it over there. So guys, coming up to the final mistake which you are doing is that not connecting your Ton wallet. So you can connect the Ton wallet very easily. There is an option of wallet button. If you haven't created the Ton wallet, you can create it and connect it. Simple process. No gas fees. Everything is free here. Just connect your Ton wallet. The Hamster Kombat team has officially mentioned that you should be connecting your Ton wallet, and that's what you should be doing, because whatever withdrawal you will be getting up will be in the Ton wallet itself. So make sure you're connecting it, and here if you do all these the steps which I have told you, and you avoid all these mistakes, you are eligible for their airdrop. You are eligible for the highest profit of their airdrop. So hope everyone has understood this particular video. If you haven't, shared it with your friends and family. Those who are mining up Hamster, do share it, so that they'll be also eligible and they'll be also qualifying for the airdrop. So very important video and hope you guys will like and also share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching guys. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.